What is vector in C++? So vector is nothing but a sequence container, just like a dynamic array, which resizes or changes its size automatically. That is, in advance, if we are not aware how many content it is going to contain, then we use the vector. So a sequence of containers like these to store elements, a vector is a template class of C++. That is, vectors are employed or used when managing ever-changing data elements. That is, elements can be less, element can be higher. So the syntax, how do we write it? Let me just tell you. But here you see, we have a begin, we have and this and will always change. So how do we give this? We have a vector, type, variable, number of elements like this. The vector, then in this angle brackets, you give the type like integer, variable name is rooms 9. You don't have to specify this 9. Okay, I'll just show you how we don't need to do this. This is an example of C++. We have a vector. It's a string type vector, and the name of the vector is vec_1. So what we are doing is, now it is empty. We are pushing sample code. So the first area, sample code, I'm just writing SC for sample code, SC will come. Now the second one will be change example. Now one more is populated in this vector, which is called as change example. Now only 2 values are there. If you want to put 3, you can just push back. Now you can use the iterator from begin to end, and this with this iterator you can print the value, or you can use it like cout. You have *I, you just, when you actually run it, this will be the sample code and change example will be printed. So this is how the vector is sequence number which resizes itself automatically.